Good morning, meteorologist Steve Krasnowski here with your weather briefing storm scoop update. Monday, new week, February 15th, 2021. Storm after storm after storm. I feel like every third day we've had something new to talk about. So, let's jump in. Light spotty precip and drizzle with light icing today, especially north and west. Southeast areas are already above freezing. You can see a sharp contour down at 95 and 95. Most places above 95 will get above freezing. Just wanted to start off, with the temperatures and show how cold it's snowing down in Mexico, and that's just not something you really see very often. So, talked about the cold air. It's here. It's entrenched. Let's see what happens along the way. Now we have to talk more about tonight and Thursday. Oh, look, and March. Yeah, I just threw this one in there because, talking about such cold temperatures, March actually looks like it's going to be warm. First week. Let's see if it happens. All right, today, highs. Not as bad as we thought. We had that huge risk of icing, and we think a lot of that will now be sort of, let's say this line north. I like 84 is always sort of the boundary between winter and not winter, or sloppy winter. But New York City, no longer real concern for icing. Long Island, the same thing. These are the highs. I'm not expecting lows to drop too much as well. So here's that light spotty precip for Monday, 9 a.m. this morning. Again, nothing too much to talk about. Some of this isn't even hitting the ground. And again, at 1 o'clock, a little more full, but again, spotty drizzle, sleet, that sort of thing. How much ice? Well, I think the highest risk, it's warmer, as I said, so the northern fringe is now where we're going to have that ice concern, the Catskills, Hudson Valley, the ice, possible ice between 7 today and 7 tomorrow. Very light here. This is probably even a little overdone. So, and then, we're looking at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the GFS, wants to have a pretty good thump of snow before it turns into some other things. Almost a foot, good foot imprint. So, just want to show the ice. There'll be some snow and some rain, obviously, but just the ice. Definitely can see those outages happening. I painted a good picture where I think that might be some of the heaviest of those bands of ice. Obviously, windshields and those sort of things and untreated areas are going to be a concern. So, if you're north of the city, you have to keep all that in mind. And then later this week, this is what we got. So here's the Euro, late Thursday. Usual boundary line, isn't it? Funny, it's always this boundary line. Rain for, let's call it Atlantic City on south, and south and east. Philly, looking at him, slop. New York, snow to slop. Probably cook out 4 or 5 inches before, when it's all said and done. And then maybe less slop up as you go into New England. And you have the GFS, similar. Euro, GFS. Euro, GFS. A little more bullish on the precip amounts for snow. Generally, I think what's going to happen is you're going to have snow heavy at times Thursday afternoon, 3 to 6 inches before sleet and freezing rain. Possibly plain rain south into, Jersey and below, Atlantic City and below. That might be Friday morning-ish, and then I think it'll taper down around midday on Friday. So, a lot of different ideas, but they're coming into agreement. So, my confidence is growing more and more for that. So, keep an eye on it. Meteorologist Steve Krasnowski. Have a good day.